What's up, what's good? It's your girl Michaela Janae here, and let me just be, well, not the first, I'm probably like the last person to tell you, but Happy New Year. Your girl took a little bit of a break, but now I am back with the content. Like I said in the last video of Michaela Month, I'm just so grateful for all of the new subscribers. Hey, how are y'all doing? Welcome to the family. Of course, on this channel we do all things hair because I am a licensed cosmetologist, now going on, I want to say like 5 years if I'm not mistaken. So that is what the main focus of this channel is. I also talk a lot of faith because I am a Christian. We talk about books because I love to read clean, close door romance. That is literally my only genre, so that is what I love to talk about over here, giving you guys some of my favorite little book recommendations. Sewing and crafting was literally my first love before hair, so on this channel I try to fit in sewing, lately some crocheting, a little bit of everything. That's why my Instagram is everything by Maja, because I do a lot and I just love to share it with the masses. So over here on this channel you're going to get a Mod Podge of all the things that make me, and I just hope you enjoy that type of content. If you do, make sure you are subscribed with your post notifications turned on so you're not missing out on any of your favorite videos. All my videos might not be for everyone, but I hope that you try out something that is a little bit different. I know a lot of people are here for hair. Try to have like one hair video a week. We're back to twice a week uploads, so it's gonna be one hair video and then possibly a something else that I like to do video earlier in the week. So that is my goal for this year. Make sure I'm getting out my 2 videos a week. Now in today's video, as you can see from the title, I just gave you guys a whole little backstory, but now if you're interested in the Nama J2 juicer, this is the beginning of that video. As you can see, this is really an unboxing. I literally got this in the mail yesterday and I saved it to be unboxed for you guys today. Okay, so it's not a review. I only did like one juice out of it and I didn't record it because I want to use it for a little minute, get used to it, know what it yields, how it does, before I give you guys a full thorough review. But in this video I'm going to be unboxing and I'm going to show you guys all the different parts and stuff. But first I want to tell you a little bit about this juicer. So what I have is the Nama J2 juicer by Namawell. I ordered it from their website and I was able to use like a 10% off code. I knew that it was going to be very expensive, but I'm hoping that it's going to be worth it. Our first juicer was this one right here, real low level. I think we paid about like somewhere between $60 to $80 for this one, and we ordered it from Target. I want to say we got it in December of 2023. Started juicing. I'm gonna do a whole like little health video after this one, explaining my journey, explaining why I'm juicing, explaining the benefits and the weight loss journey and all type of stuff like that. And it worked well for about a year or so, and then we just found that it became harder and harder to clean because the pulp wasn't going where the pulp should have, and it was very foamy and the quality of juice was no longer there for us. The machine was discouraging us from doing juicing, which we loved, and we did not like that. So we knew we had to do something. We knew we had to save up to get a better machine. So we did our research. It was really between the Namawell, Kuvings, I believe the name is, and Hurom. So, but this one is also very popular. Like if you are in the health food space, the workout space, and you have not heard of the Nama J2 juicer, you're probably living under a rock, because most influencers, most at-home juicing people, most vegans have this juicer. So I've been seeing it around a lot and I was very intrigued by it. So I knew that this was probably the direction that I want to go in next. Like it didn't pay for me to go to another Hamilton Beach or NutriBullet or anything like that and waste those $200 when I can just save a little bit more, go and have with my mom and get the big daddy of juicers, which is this one. So like I said, it retails for $5.50, but I found a coupon code. Most influencers do have some type of code with Namawell, and it ended up going down to like $4.95 I want to say, and with shipping and handling and tax it ended up being $5.17, which is still not bad to compare what it would have been if it stayed at $5.50. When you're looking for a coupon code, go on YouTube or Instagram and put in Nama J2 juicer, and most people that are, you know, promoting it do have a code. This right here, not sponsored. Paid with this with my own money. They did not sponsor me. I do not have a code for you guys because I paid for this myself, and this is just an authentic unboxing. First, let me just say the shipping was really good. I downloaded the Shop app so that I could track the package, and even though it was like almost a winter storm coming up and it was New Year's Day and New Year's Eve, it went very smooth. It arrived in no time. The box is super heavy. Let me just say that the box is heavy because the main little base thing is heavy. The rest of it is pretty light, but everything came in these really cute reusable bags. So I really love that as a brand they took integrity enough to just not throw things in the box. They had everything nice and bagged, which I absolutely love. As you can see, the box box is behind me and it is just so cute. Love the box, keeping the box. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for, but I'm going to use it. Our first juice, it went great. Assembly was not hard. I feel like some people overcomplicate things because they don't read the instruction. But another thing that I love is that they gave such cute instruction books. So before I even use this juicer, I read it. There is a certain way that you load the hopper to make it easy for it to juice and not put too much stress on the juicer. There are like grooves for everything to just click into place. You don't really have to worry about any of that. And the cleaning process was super easy this first juice, and I really love that. This first juice I did like purple cabbage, pears, apples, and like a nectarine because that's all we had at this current time. I know I'm on a fast right now. I literally need to go get some more groceries, and the juice just tastes so good. Oh, it was good. It was fresh. No pulp. It did have a little bit of foam, but it was no problem. Like my old machine had like too much foam and the pulp was pretty dry. So those are definitely the things you want to hear. I'm going to give you guys a more in-depth review and show you guys the process and the cleaning process in the future. But today I just want to get this out first because I know many people are starting their 21 or 30 days of prayer and fasting to start off a good cleanse for 2025. But this is a lifestyle thing for me and my mom. Like, this is something that I plan to do every day for the foreseeable future because I love juicing. You get in so much nutrition. So I've personally seen such a major difference in my life. I know that this juicer was the right investment for me personally. They include a little recipe book, which I love. They believe in helping nurture wellness rituals through connecting with food, nature, and community. Their philosophy is they believe in helping people make better choices. This begins at the root of what allows us to grow a healthy lifestyle that inspires us, educates us, and pushes us toward our aspirations. We want this practice to work not only for the individual but for the community. And they talk about the benefits of cold pressed juicing, how cold pressed juicing first came from like the Romans because that is how they made their olive oil. So this is a cold pressed juicer, which is very important because my juicer that I had before was not cold pressed, and I don't think it was a slow juicer. It was one of the ones that went faster. I don't remember. I know one of them is like masticating, and then there's another word for it. So they said this cold pressed juicer features an auger that quietly spins at 50 RPMs to slowly press fruit and vegetables against the micro perforations in the juice strainer. This action opens up the food cell's membranes, releasing its deep-seated liquid loaded with nutrients and enzymes. Another thing that I appreciate about the Namaste juicer, from what I've seen personally because I haven't juiced it yet, is how well it does leafy greens, because my old juicer did not give me any yield from leafy greens. It was basically a waste. Like, it would just go straight into the pulp. So I'm very excited to juice my greens in this one. This slow extraction process ensures that it does not disrupt the cellular structures of the fruits and vegetables, minimizing oxidation and heat, preserving the precious enzymes and nutrients as close as possible to their natural form. It definitely takes some time if you want to start batch juicing stuff. It's worth it. I do this personally as a breakfast meal replacement most of the time because I'm not a breakfast girly, but a juice will definitely get me full enough to take my vitamins and different supplements. So I'm so glad to have this back in my life. Definitely gives you some type of glass containers, which they also talk about in this book, because that is the best way to store it. And if you go anything past like 3 days, you might as well just freeze it because you want the nutrients to stay as potent as possible. After about 3 days, is no longer as nutritionally beneficial as it was when the juice was completely fresh. So make sure you get like some mason jars or any cute fancy jars with the lid, glasses, anything like that, but you want to store it in glass. They even give you a little guide on how to select the best fruit. No wrinkles, bright is always best, fresh smell, size matters, dirt is your friend, in season, no bags, and find the right price. So they even have this page right here about how to properly store your juices. You don't want to have too much air in it. You don't want it to oxidize. You want to stay the nice, bright, beautiful color so you can get all those beautiful nutrients and the vitamins from the juices. They also provide you a little layering guide. Leafy greens at the bottom, then soft fruit, then medium, and then the hard stuff, which of course you want to put the hard things at the top so it can push all the soft things down into the juicer, into the little blades and everything. And then the rest of the book is literally so many recipes telling you the benefits of things. And then they also give you a full little instruction manual in case you have any questions. It's a 15-year warranty on all parts, and it's free domestic shipping on all orders over $100. So of course, yes, I love it so far. As you can see, I'm so happy to be juicing again. It gives me the energy I need, the vitamins, the nutrients, and it's a good breakfast for me. So far so good. I'm gonna hop into the unboxing so you guys can understand what I'm showing you, and let's just hop into that portion of the video. Alright you guys, so that is the end of this unboxing. I hope you all enjoyed this video. More videos are on the way. Make sure you are subscribed with your post notifications turned on, and I'll see you guys in my next video.